Assalamualaikum. My name is Usman. I am a 16-year-old person. I work on Shopify. I have learned it for over 4 to 5 months, and now I'm learning about TikTokShop.pk.uk. Sir.
उस्मान के पहले तो जज्बे की हमें बहुत ज़्यादा अप्रिसिएशन की। उस्मान की वेबसाइट है जो अपना ब्रांड चला रहे हैं foxy.com.pk, जिसमें ये चप्पल्स और ये सारी चीज़ें बेच रहे हैं, राइट? सो ही हैज़ बिल्ट ऑल दिस स्टोर्स। आल्सो आई वांट यू टू टेल कि आप क्या गेम्स की, अभी आपने मुझे बताया था यू बिल्ट सम गेम्स एंड ऑल दैट।
I built some games and mods for GT5. I have my friends and everything. We work on Z modeler and graphic and stuff.
And how did you learn all of this? Because we were not our student.
From my friends and some online courses.
So you learned all this from YouTube,
You can say.
and then you built all this.
Yes.
What is your goal and aim?
My goal and aim is to get my own business done and start making.
Okay. And what is your father expectations from you?
It's really high for him.
Okay. Any message for the people who are struggling and not motivated? Just say the guy was saying he is feeling demotivated.
You should not get demotivated. You should not get demotivated because this has a lot of potential and you can get really good in this field. And the future is from IT.
That's very good. We're really looking forward to you to be successful here.
Inshallah.
And इंशाल्लाह मैं कहूँगा कि जो भी इनको अपने साथ अटैच करेगा, मैं समझता हूँ वो नहीं नाकाम हो सकता, इतनी तो मैं गारंटी दूंगा।